Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about this video. This day is finally here. We get to show you guys our new dream kitchen. We've been working on this for quite a while now, and we just really wanted to make sure it was complete before we showed everybody.
Hi, Mom.
Come here, you want to be in the video? So we've been working on this for a really long time. We finally just finished it completely last weekend. We remodeled our kitchen, didn't we? Yeah.
No, for you.
Oh, is it for me? Okay. Hello. So we didn't really do anything with the structure. We just kind of changed cabinets. We got new countertops, some new appliances. So, I mean, it just looks totally different in here. I'll show you guys some of the before pictures, and then I'm going to take you through the process, our journey, just everything we did. We pretty much did everything ourselves except for put in the countertops. My husband and I, we built the cabinets, he put them in. We did the backsplash ourselves, hung new light fixtures. It took, I want to say, maybe around 2 months-ish, which really isn't a long time for a kitchen remodel, I don't think. And it was pretty much functional the entire time. I just was without a cooktop for a week or so, but I had a microwave, so it was fine. So we're gonna just take you guys through our journey on everything we did to the kitchen, and then I'll do the big reveal. And then I'm gonna kind of go through and show you, we got some new decor, some kind of farmhouse items. I like to call this Rustic Glam. And so we'll just take you guys through and show you what we got and show you what we did. So without further ado, let's get into it. so we're gonna start over here. This is our back door, and we went with a basket weave backsplash. Originally we had gotten this really glam, like almost looked like tinfoil backsplash that we were gonna use, and once the countertops came in, it just did not look right. So we ended up getting this, and I love it. It looks so pretty. It's got texture to it, and it just looks gorgeous. And we ended up getting quartz countertops. Maybe when I get over to the sunlight, you'll be able to see. They kind of have like sparkles in it. So pretty. And then these are the uppers over here. They're nice and tall. I love that. And then over here, we got, oh yeah, we got a brand new dishwasher. Wanted to match all the other appliances. And then we ended up getting a stainless sink and a new fixture. We wanted to try to use our old fixture, but we couldn't get it off the old sink. So we had to get a new one. And then this little plant I got at Hobby Lobby. Thought that was cute. And my Mrs. Meyer's cleaning. I love this stuff. If you guys have never tried Grove Collaborative, you guys need to. It's a website where you can get your cleaning supplies shipped straight to your door. There's a link down in the description box for $10 off if you guys are interested. And then here's the little KitchenAid and the toaster oven. And then I actually made this yesterday. It's all items from the dollar store, and I was inspired by a fellow YouTuber. I will post her video down below. She made something like this with lavender flowers, and I was like, oh my goodness, I need this. So let's see, can you see? Can't really see the sparkles, but there's a little bit of glam there. And then this picture here, this is also from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I've had it for quite a while, so I can't remember exactly where it's from. And then these are the light fixtures we got. My husband actually found these off of Amazon, and I thought they were absolutely beautiful. I wanted a lantern style. The ones I had picked out were a lot more simple, but he liked these, so I was like, all right, we'll go with it. And then this is our pantry. So these are actually the old doors. We have to special order the new pantry doors, and we haven't done that yet. So we just painted them white, and it actually doesn't look that bad. And then this is one of my new signs I got, Living on Grace and Coffee. This is also from Hobby Lobby. I love their stuff. And then here is our new island. This is probably my favorite part, you guys. I sit at this thing and drink my coffee. I work at this thing. The girls eat here. I mean, we love it. The two little stools I got from Amazon as well. And then these are actually cabinets with storage. So we didn't want to put any hardware on them because we wanted them to kind of be just like decoration, but there is storage in there as well. And then on this side, we've got some drawers and then a couple more doors. We did end up getting a brand new cooktop because this used to be an oven right here, but since we have the built-in right over there, we figured we didn't need two ovens anymore. So this is the new cooktop, and it has been a learning experience because it's all touch, and I've had to learn how to use that, but it actually works really good. And then there's our built-ins. Over here, you guys, this is probably my favorite part. This is our little coffee bar. I love it. I got this little sign from Hobby Lobby as well. And then this flower arrangement, this is from Home Goods, I think. Yeah. And then this little clock is from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I've got all of my coffee stuff up in these cabinets. And then these drawers and the cabinet is actually kind of for the girls. They've got a ton of toys, and so I just thought it would be nice to have a spot that they can just kind of put their toys, and it's kept out of the way. And also, the hardware is from Amazon. I found these little drawer pulls and the knobs, and they matched perfect. So I want to try to keep it looking tidy in here. I know it's probably not gonna last, but we just wanted to show you guys the final result. We are so happy with it. This is my favorite room in the house now. I just love it. So bright and airy, and it's just homey, and it's finally a look that we love. And yeah, we're so happy with it. thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved this video, and we'll see you guys next time.